Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cloud illustration using Inkscape. And before we start, you can download this color palette by clicking the link that I put in the description box, so you can have the same color as I have right here. And then you can prepare the workspace by clicking this to open Fill and Stroke tab, and then you can click this to open Align and Distribute tab, and then make sure if it's last selected. The first thing that I want to do is making the background, and to do that I'm just gonna grab rectangle tool, and then by holding Ctrl and Shift I'm gonna make a perfect square like this. And after I go to selection tool, I'm gonna change the width and the height. So the width is gonna be 160 millimeters, and the height is gonna be 160 millimeters too. After that, I'm gonna grab a circle tool, and by holding Ctrl and Shift, I'm gonna make a perfect rounded circle like this. And then I'm gonna color it probably yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna color it yellow so it is visible. And then I'm gonna scale it down. Don't forget holding Ctrl and Shift. After that, I'm gonna duplicate this circle by holding Ctrl and D. And then I'm gonna make it smaller, and don't forget holding Ctrl and Shift so we don't lose the shape of the perfect circle. After that, I'm gonna put it in the right side. I'm gonna duplicate that and put it on the left side. After that, I'm gonna duplicate this circle by holding Ctrl and D, and then make it more smaller. After that, I put it in the left side like this, and then I'm gonna do the same for the right side. I'm gonna add this. After that, I'm gonna delete this part, and to do that I'm just gonna unite this object first, these 5 circles. After I block all of them, and then I'm gonna go to Path and Union. After that, I'm gonna use rectangle tool, and then I'm gonna draw a rectangle across this part. I'm gonna color it green. So after I turn down the opacity, you can see right here, this is gonna be the part that I'm gonna delete. And after making adjustment how much the object that I want to delete, I'm gonna click the green rectangle first, and then by holding Shift I'm gonna select the yellow object. After that, I'm gonna go to Path, and then I'm gonna select Difference, and here it is, the cloud that we want. You can make adjustment by dragging this down, or maybe dragging this to the left, making it smaller, making it bigger, whatever you want. And if you want to make a variation, you can add more circles, or maybe reduce the amount of circles right here. And I want to make it the same right here, so Just gonna go back to where it was, too far. Okay, so I'm gonna scale it down a little bit, and I think that's good amount. And I'm gonna make it higher, make it taller, and then I'm gonna duplicate that again and then color it green and put it in the left side of this this cloud, the yellow cloud, and then I'm gonna scale it down, and then I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, and I think it's too low. Okay, I think that's good enough. The next thing that I want to do is I'm gonna color the illustration right here, and to do that I'm gonna click the red rectangle first, and then by clicking color picker I'm gonna pick this color, the first blue, and then I'm gonna go to selection tool, select the yellow cloud, and then I'm gonna select the second blue, and the last one is gonna be the third blue. And if you want to have different color, for example, if you want to make it sunset or sunrise, you can change the hue right here like this. Or maybe you want to make it as night sky, so you can turn the value down like this. So that's all the variation that you can have. You can make a different colors, you can make a different variation of the clouds. It depends on the circle that you have, that you choose, or maybe you can have different variation of the colors. That's all. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.